Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. Hope you all are doing well. So the next property of soil that we are going to discuss is the moisture in soil. Alright. Now before we talk about the moisture in soil, what do you mean by moisture? So moisture is nothing but presence of a liquid in small amount. So now here uh, the liquid means water. So now do you think that soil contain water? So actually soil contains considerable amount of water, and the amount of water varies from soil to soil. But yes, soil do contain water. Now some soil might contain less water. Soil which contain less water, they will be dry. So now here when we talk about the moisture in different types of soil, so let's discuss a very simple and small experiment to prove the moisture exists in soil here. Okay. For this activity, take some amount of soil in a test tube. Okay. And heat the test tube. So after some time, what do you observe? You observe presence of tiny water droplets on the walls of the test tube. Okay. So where do we get these tiny water droplets? Because soil contain water, and when actually heat it, these water is start evaporating. So they start to convert into water vapor. Okay. So the presence of water droplets on the walls of the test tube is proof that moisture is present in the soil. Now, if you try to compare amount of moisture which is present different type of soil, so you know that in sandy soil have a least moisture. And when we talk about the loamy soil have intermediate moisture, and clay soil have maximum moisture. So here this soil is capable to retaining more water, means it have a maximum water holding capacity, and clay soil have also maximum moisture. So here sandy soil have minimum moisture and clay soil have maximum moisture. So now here the last one property of soil is water absorption by soil. How much water absorbed by the soil? So this is basically retention of water by the soil particles. That means amount of water which is actually taken by the soil particles. So water retention is less in sandy soil, but percolation rate is high in sandy soil. And in clay soil, it is high water retention, but percolation rate is less. And in loamy soil, it is a between, means it has a right amount of water retention, and it also have right amount of percolation. So that's why loamy soil is the best for growing crops.